Okay, I've got a very muddy boot here. Follow me as I bring it back to life with the help of some products from Nikwax. So you might think this is past the point of no return, but trust me, I'm gonna have it spick and span. And if you're wondering where the other boot is, that'll become evident later on in the video. So to start with, get yourself a brush and a bowl of warm water, not too hot as you don't want to damage the boot's materials. And just start working away at the big chunks of mud. Now that it's possible, I'd recommend getting the laces off so you can get right into the nooks and crannies of the boot. Sometimes laces are threaded quite specifically, so you might find it helpful to take a picture of the boot, take a picture of the laces before you remove them, so you know how to re-thread them once the cleaning's done. Once you've done that, then it's time to crack out the green bottle. That's Nikwax's Footwear Cleaning Gel. It's basically a cleaning agent that helps to remove dirt from the boot without removing any existing durable water repellent treatments that might already be present on the boot. So work away with it, getting right into the seams and all the folds and creases of the boot, giving it a good scrub. Okay, well, I'd say it's already looking a lot better. Next up is the reproofing. So these boots are made from nubuck leather, and because of that, I'm going to be using Nikwax's nubuck and suede proofing. But if your boots are made from synthetics or made from a mix of synthetics and leather, then I recommend using this bottle, Nikwax's fabric and leather proof. So this one's a spray bottle. I'm going to apply this all over the boot, making sure to get right into every seam, every fold, every part of the upper. So before I just let that sink in, I'm just gonna get a wet cloth and just wipe away any excess solution, any build-up of the white residue. And that's that. Now all I need to do is just leave it to dry. Right, let's see how well it works then. So, my left foot is the dirty boot. Look at that. Horribly saturated. And then my right boot, which is the cleaned and reproofed one. Ah, nice. Water just running straight off it. Perfect. That's what you want to see. Now there is also Nikwax's waterproof wax for leather. This is for smooth leather, so I won't be needing it with my boots. What this does is it adds a durable water repellent treatment, it maintains breathability, and it replenishes tanning agents to keep the leather supple and prevent it from drying out. Now again, this should be used in conjunction with Nikwax's Footwear Cleaning Gel. You just add it to the boot, rub it in with a finger or damp cloth, and then buff to shine. That's all you need to do. On to the sustainability side of things. All of these solutions are eco-friendly, being water-based and solvent-free. What's more, the bottles are made from 100% recycled materials and are recyclable as well. And the company itself has managed to carbon balance all of its emissions since day one of operation. It's a progressive company doing good things. And best of all, they make your kit, which let's face it, is very expensive these days. They make your kit last a lot longer. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do consider subscribing to this channel. We're offering gear advice like this on a regular basis. And thank you very much for watching. Catch you next time.